Guys, listen. This is really, really serious. And I want y'all to follow along. I just got this humidifier about 3 months ago. And there's 3 parts to it, apparently. I only thought there was 2. And nowhere in there did I see that I was supposed to slide back this lever and then pull out the bottom part. And then that leaves you with this. This part right here is the base to the humidifier. That's where the steam comes out. So down at the bottom, I pull it out away from the base. And there's this brown stuff that's like, you see where it's that lighter brown, like it's the mummy or something? Like, that kind of looks like some Sandman in the desert kind of thing. Like Sandman in the Spider-Man movies, like his skin was kind of weird and brown like that, and it was just flaky and granular. It was granular. So I pull that off, and then there's this red part that clips on the bottom there, and that, you could see the flaky stuff that was there. And this, my friends, it feels like a metallic feeling. So it's even though it's very brittle, the grains are really thick and coarse and almost sharp. Almost a sharpness to it. And then you have this, which was around that exit port up there. It just kind of chipped off. And it's like totally different. It's kind of like a harder substance. I mean, it's almost ceramic. It's so hard. Did you hear the snap when I just cracked that open? Now, here's my theory. I believe the humidifier is pulling carbon out of the atmosphere. That's why I think it's happening here. I think that our air and the atmosphere of the earth has so much carbon in it that a simple little device like this is pulling enough carbon out of the air to condense and create these metallic substances here. These are heavy metals, people. We're breathing in these heavy metals that are being spewed through our devices. I think that this is a huge travesty, and I think that somebody should do something about it.